welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how to do your homemade body scrub. For me, winter is not my friend, and once it's winter I usually have cracked skin, and so I've tried lots of products. I seen them all, so I said, okay, why don't I just try my own body scrub so I can exfoliate. So for today we'll be having just few ingredients we're going to be using. So maybe coffee, sugar, honey, and of course oil. If you have a oily skin, you can actually use lemon, but because I have a very dry skin, I don't use lemon to exfoliate because it's going to crack up my skin. Sea salt. Sea salt is good for the skin. It helps to remove dead skin cells and exfoliate too. And your mixing bowl, your jar to store up your mixture. So you can actually exfoliate once in a week to see results. You can actually use it for your lip if you have a cracked lips or winter is affecting your lips. You can actually use it for your lips every morning once you finish brushing your mouth, and rinse it off with warm water. I'll use a paper towel to clean it. I bet you it works very well for the lips because it has sugar and coffee. Well, I'm not saying it's not going to give you a pink lips, but it's going to help remove those cracks. See mine. And if you're having any irritation, please discontinue use, and you can try this my method and then come back to comment and see if it actually works for you. So let's get back to business. So this is my mixing bowl. I'm going to use this as my measuring cup, but if you don't have a measuring cup, you can actually use a teaspoon or a tablespoon. So one, two, three. So you check for consistency. If it's way too thick, you can add more oil, and if it's too light, you add more sugar. So that's why I prefer, when you're doing it, you put each quantity amount of ingredients you're using. if your sugar is a bit crunchy, you can blend it with a dry blender before mixing it, and add sea salt to it a little bit. So our homemade sugar coffee body scrub is ready. Wet your body and rub it all around your body. Wait for wash it off with any of your choice body soap. So I'm going to be using this every week to see how it goes, probably every weekend, so I will know, okay, it's time for me to use my scrub, because if I say Monday I might forget, so let's use Monday. So just put inside your jar. I think this can last you for 2 or 3 use. And you can actually use it too for your lip if you also have cracked lips, so you can also use it daily for your lips. Just apply it, you scrub it. It's like, let me take a bit. Yeah, then you wipe it off with a paper towel or rinse it off with warm water. Voila, it's ready. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment. You can actually try it and tell me how the results went. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please tell your friend to subscribe. I hope I've been able to give you some tips on how to save some coins and do your homemade sugar body scrub. Bye, see you next time. Ciao.